Hello, all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see the donut chart in Power BI. Okay. So before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please to subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay. So let's begin our topic related to donut chart in Power BI. So in our previous playlists we have seen some of the different types of uh, charts, that is a stacked column chart, stacked bar chart, we have seen pie chart, and today we'll see like donut chart. I think we have also covered the funnel chart in Power BI. So when it comes to donut, you might have all eaten the donut. The donut looks exactly like a circle. So here you can see the donut circle, and in it has some hole. Okay. So in the same way, the donut chart is also in the same way. So it looks exactly in the similar way, like way you have seen the donut in your real life. Okay, so you can call the donut also, this is the donut. So if you have tasted the South Indian breakfast, that is a vada, even that is also in same shape. So the donut is basically western food, and this is basically a South Indian food, that is a vada, but this is not exactly as round as donut. It has some kind of some fluctuations are there in this uh, shape, but the donut exactly looks completely round. Okay, so now let's come to the topic, the donut chart, and let's keep this food as aside. Okay, so let's see how exactly the donut chart has to be used in the Power BI. We'll try to understand some of the basic concepts. Okay, so first what we'll do is like we'll try to open the Power BI application. Okay, it's taking some time. And of course, today is a May 1st, and if you are an employer or if you are an employee, so I wish you all a happy Labour's Day, because employer also will work, even employees also will work for the organization. So I wish you all a happy Labour's Day. Okay. So first what we'll do is like as usual, like we'll try to get the data set. It's taking quite some time since my system is getting hanged. Okay, so now just click on this connect, and now we'll try to load the data set. So I have a supermarket sales data set. We'll try to loaded the data set. So now what we'll do is like we'll select the donut chart from this visualization chart. So here you can see build a visual, and here you can see the donut chart. So now what we'll do is like we'll try to add the values and legends. So in the legend, what I will try to add is I will try to add gross income. In the values, I will add the city. So here you can see the donut chart. It exactly looks like a donut chart. So here you can see the gross income of various cities. So what I will do is like I will try to change the parameter. I try to include it as a branch. So here you can see in a more clear way, so that you can see the donut chart. So here you can see the count of city by branch. In the values, in the legend I have added the branch. Suppose if you click on A, so here you can see the branch A distribution, and if you click on B, branch B, you can see the branch B distribution. And similarly you can see for branch C. Okay, and suppose if you want the detail labels, so here you can see label counts. So once you go to the label counts, you can click on all detail labels. So here you can see, so A has occupied 34%, B has occupied 33.2%, and C has occupied 32.8%. So here you can change the colors also if you want. You can change, and let's see like how to change. So here you can see the background color. You can change the background color as black. If you want, you can change it to white. Now let's see like how to change colors here. Size and position, size and style. Adding visual border. You can change the borders also. Visual border. Suppose if you want black, or if you want any color, you can choose it. If you want to go for blue, change it. And if you want, you can include the shadow also, and you can choose the shadow color. Let's choose it as black. So here you can see the shadow color is changed as black. And we'll try to change some of the other parameters. Details, ribbon, rotation. If you just increase the rotation, you can do it. You can rotate this donut chart, guys. So now let's try to explore some of the other options. So here you can see visual border, shadow, size and position, padding. Okay. So this is the basic understanding of the donut chart. If you want, you can expand this so that it looks bigger.